Hello girls, how are you? Now we have a new English session. This English session will be about at word family. Let's see. Let's review two sounds from the sounds we learned. First sound is letter A. What is the sound of letter A? Ah, ah. What is the sound of letter A? Again, ah. Excellent. Let's now review this letter. What is the sound of letter T? T, 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 T. So now we know this is a, T, a, T. Okay. Now let's blend them together and see if this can make a word. A, T, a, T, a, T, a, T, at. So what is this word? At. Very good job. Now let's go to the first sentence here. Can you find the word at? Point to it if you can. Okay, let's read the sentence together. I am at home. I know you can't read all the words, but that's okay. Just listen to me reading it. I am at home. Yes, here's the word at. Let's go to the next sentence. I wake up at, we are doing the second one, this one. Okay, let's read it together. I wake up at 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock. Yes, here's the word at. Let's go to the last one. Look at me. Look at me. Excellent job. Here's the word at. And at the end of this one, we put exclamation mark because you're asking somebody to do something. So this is not a period. We're supposed to have here exclamation mark. And we're going to talk about exclamation mark, question marks, and periods, but later. Let's move to the next part. Let's try some sounds with at. Let's blend them together and try to make new words. Let's try this first one. Okay. Let me choose. Anyway, okay. Let's try b at. B at. B at. B at. B at. Bat. Excellent. That's the word bat. Bravo. Let's go to the next word. K at. K at. K at. K at. K at. K at. Yes. Cat. Excellent. Bravo. At. 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 Fat. Excellent. So this is the word fat. Way to go. Let's go to the next one. This one we're reading now. H at. H at. H at. H at. H at. H at. Hat. Excellent job. This is the word hat. Way to go. Let's go to the next one. At. 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 Mat. Excellent. This is the word mat. Terrific. Let's go to the next one. P at. P at. Pat. Pat. Excellent. Pat. This is the word pat. Let's read this one. At. 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 Rat. 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 Excellent. Way to go. I know some of you are still struggling with reading and blending the sounds, but that's okay. It will need some practice and you will get there. That's totally fine. Remember, if you need to learn anything, you need to practice, practice, practice. This is the key to know how to do things. Okay? Let's go to the very last one here. At. 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 Sat. Sad. Excellent. So the last word here is sat. Super duper. Let's try to read these words again. Bat. Cat. Cat. At. Fat. At. Hat. at mat, p at pat, at rat, at sat. Make sure you stop the video and you try to read them. Now let's play a little game called Pick and Read Paper Game. Get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are 8 words. So get 8 little pieces of paper. Write each word on one of the papers and fold them so that you can't see any word inside. I mean, you can see what's written inside in each paper. Put them in a mug, in a cup, in anything, and start to pick randomly. Open the paper and read. You can even play treasure hunt. Ask mommy or somebody to hide these little papers all around the house or in the living room or in the bedroom. Ask mommy where you can play this game. She can hide them for you. Your brother, your sister, somebody at home can hide them for you. You go around and search for them. Once you find the paper, open it and read the words. If you can read all of them, so you win. If you can't read all of them, that's totally fine. Just count how many out of 8 you can read and practice the next day and see the progress. Very good. Now let's make sure we know the meaning of these words. Okay? Okay. We have the 8 words here. Let's make sure we know the meaning of the 8 words we're learning. Look at this picture here. First we have this one and that one. Let me pick blue, because on this page we don't have blue. Okay, so let's see this word, fat. Fat. What is the meaning of fat? Yes, like this mouse. It's a little bit, it has a big belly and it eats too much, so now the mouse is fat. Let's go to the next one. Rat. Rat. This is a rat, the one we have here in the picture. So rat is another word for mouse. Rat is another word for mouse. Let's go to this one here. Bat. What is the meaning of bat? When you play baseball, use a bat and a ball. Remember the song, bring your ball and bring your bat. B. Bring your ball and bring your bat to the playground to play, to the park to play, to the park to play, if you remember this song. So that's the bat. Bat. Use it to play baseball. Okay, next. Pat. Pat. Pat is when you have a dog or a cat or any kind of pet and you start tapping gently on them. It's kind of saying I love you to your pets, okay? Remember in the class sometimes when you do something correct or you answer a good answer or you behave nicely, sometimes Miss Monica tells you to give yourself a pat on the back. Remember this when Miss Monica asks you to give yourself a pat on the back. So you start patting yourself, okay? Let's go to this picture. This is a cat. Cat. This is a cat. Let's see this one. What is the cat sleeping on? She's sleeping on a mat. 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 This is a mat. Sometimes you have a mat in front of the door that says welcome in front of the house door, or sometimes you have a mat on the floor in your room and you play on it. So we have lots of mats all around the house. Let's go to the very last one. We have 2 words here. Sat. Remember Humpty Dumpty? Sat on the wall. Sat. Okay, it means it's like sitting down, but something you did before. So he sat on the wall. Okay, because it's something happened before. I can't say I sat now. No, I say I sat down yesterday. Okay, or Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Something that happened before, but not right now. Okay, last one. Humpty Dumpty is wearing a hat. Excellent. Hat. Very good. So you know that this is a hat, and we learned this word when we were learning about the letter H. Now you know all the meanings of these words. Let's now go to the very, very fun part of this lesson. We have a story called The Cat Sat. This story is all about the words we learned today. If you want to listen to this story, that's optional. If you are satisfied with what you learned, so that's enough. If you want to go one step ahead or one more step with this session, you can go to YouTube and write in the search bar at word family, the cat sat. This is the name of the story. You will find this picture. When you find this picture, so that's the story, and enjoy it. It's a very fun story. You can watch it as many times as you want. And before you watch it many times, you need to check with mommy if you're allowed to do this. Always check with mommy first, okay? Okay, and now we have another fun thing to do, and this one is the end of quarter 3 project. Let's see how to do this project. I need you to go around the house, choose 10 things, and think about what this thing is. That's the first question. Second question, what is the initial sound or beginning sound? Both are the same. Initial sound or beginning sound. Third question is, what letter makes this sound? So go around the house, choose 10 things, and think about these 3 questions. What is this thing? What is the initial sound? And what letter makes that sound? Okay, make sure the 10 things are starts with different sounds. So I need 10 things with different 10 initial sounds. Okay, tell mommy to. That's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe at home, please, and I hope we'll meet very, very soon.